everyone and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, I have Jeff here with me. And as you guys can tell by the title, today he's going to be doing my skincare routine. Which actually, me and Jeffrey actually have the same skincare routine. Jeffrey actually takes care of his skin. He's not like, you know, other men which use the same soap for the body and the skin. Jeffrey actually takes care of his skin. The only thing that Jeffrey hasn't tried is my detox mask. And I'm super excited for him to try it to see his reaction. Just to give you guys a heads up, my kids are literally right next door. So if you guys hear them, ignore them. So our skin is already washed. We washed our face in the shower with our Neutrogena soap, so we're ready to go. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna go ahead and rinse our face with some warm water to open up our pores, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the mask. So go ahead, rinse your face first. I can't open it. Okay, got it. So we're gonna apply this with our face wet. Go ahead. You got a beard, so.
Okay. So how much do I have to apply?
A thin layer. Damn, you still on your forehead? Funny, huh?
My forehead's so big that
you still in your forehead.
You almost done it.
Yeah.
Look at my forehead. Look at yours.
Oh.
So I feel like a little tingly.
Yes, that's because it's working. I feel like whenever this mask dries, it tickles like my face, because you know it's like hard and like, you know. So now we're just gonna sit and wait for about like 10 to 12 minutes for the mask to completely dry. And like I mentioned in my last video, I really like this mask because once it's dry, you can see like where, like you see like wet dots on your skin, basically like where your pores are being cleaned. And mine is a lot, like it's around here a lot and on my forehead. So I'm like curious to see yours. Yeah,
because I noticed it takes out like the oil.
Yes. So you're gonna see yours pretty soon.
I'm excited.
Yeah, so we're gonna just let it dry and we're just gonna come back later once it's dry.
And if you're a guy using this and you have a beard, it's a plus for you because you don't have to use as much.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I feel my face like hard, like dry.
We didn't look at the time. We don't even know how long it's been. Well, basically whenever it feels dry, we're gonna take it off. But you can start to see already, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but you can start to see on mine, you can see like the little,
yeah, the little pore.
Yeah, like the dots of like where the pores are being cleaned. But you,
yeah, mine's too. Look.
Oh yeah, on the nose, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, no, I feel it. It feels like it's dry, like pulling my skin.
Because it's dry, it's gonna dry.
I feel like this probably makes you like younger because it pulls your skin, so it's probably like.
But it's because it's dry at the moment. Once you rinse it off, it's.
Yeah, but you're basically exercising your skin, like, because it's like when you go to the gym, your skin is tense. Yeah. I mean.
All right, so it's been 10 minutes. No, it's been a little bit more than 10 minutes, huh?
Yeah, like probably like
15 minutes, and mine is completely dry, but.
Yeah, mine.
Oh my god, it took a
I think I put too much right here. Look, it's dry right here.
His is like drying, but then not drying at the same time. Like he got some areas where he put too much, and it's like dry but still wet, if that makes sense. So we're gonna show you guys like, as you guys can see, like those areas around here, and my nose is like little dots, and it looks wet, but it's really dry. Let me show you guys. Hi. I think it's focused on you. So you guys see those little areas? I don't know if it's focused, but I hope you guys can see how it looks wet, but it's really dry. That's where it was cleaning my pores. So yeah, Jeff is gonna show you guys his.
Mine's, I don't have as much as she has about the nose. Mine's is pretty, I don't really have a lot of oil on my skin, but I sure liked how it feels.
Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and rinse off the mask. This is actually the part that I dislike the most, just because it's really, you really gotta rub in there to remove the mask. So I'm gonna go first. And I rinsed it with warm water because yeah. Definitely went to go rest his face in the other bathroom because he didn't feel like waiting for me. I love the way my skin feels after I remove the mask. Like, it feels so smooth, so clean. So I'm just waiting for Jeffrey to finish removing his mask, and I'm just admiring myself while I wait for him. So wait, what are you doing? What are you doing, sir?
Am I supposed to dry my face?
You take instructions from me. Did I say you could dry your face?
Whoa,
is mine dry right now?
Maybe.
No. How do your skin feel?
It feels relieved. Like, I don't know if it was because it got hard on my face, but when you take it off, it feels like.
But does this feel smooth?
Yeah, it feels like a baby's booty.
So now, what I like to do is
Oh, it really does feel really
someone's
smooth.
feeling himself. So the next thing we are going to be doing is using this Sea Breeze Astringent. I can never say that word. Astringent.
Astringent.
Yeah, I guess you said it right. Astringent. It's astringent.
Astringent.
A Sea Breeze, and we're gonna be doing that to remove any extra oil and dirt from our skin. We do that using a cotton ball, but we do not have cotton balls right now. So I like to use a little bit of toilet paper to do that. So yeah. So here's your piece.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here's my view. So toilet paper, whenever you giving a tutorial about toilet paper. Whenever you wet toilet paper and you rub it and it can't get like on your skin, it gets like, you know, flaky and stuff. So what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna tap it. With cotton balls, you don't have to worry about that, but we don't have none right now. My last video I didn't have any either, so it's like, go to Walgreens already.
Yeah.
You might feel a little tingling, but you used this before. We actually been using this for a long time. I think you put me on this. Yes, Jeffrey put me on this like the minute that we first moved in. Next, we're gonna be applying our Argan Plus Vitamin E Nurturing Facial Oil. And I apply this every night. I don't know about you. You use it like every morning and night?
I use it kind of like as a moisturizer.
Me too, yeah.
So, yeah, every time I wash my face, I use it.
Yeah, I only use it at night because I don't like how it stays on my skin, like just oily.
Yeah.
Throughout the day, because I already have oily skin, so I don't like to have my skin oily throughout the day, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I like to put it on my face.
That's exactly what I do. That's exactly what I do.
And this smells delicious. I haven't been using it actually. No, I've been using the other thing that I'm gonna be showing you, but I miss it. My skin misses it. And I love how I feel like it does like rejuvenates your skin. Like it makes.
Wow.
Why are you so rough?
Wow, your skin looks so
smooth. I could pass like I'm 13. So like. Alright, so next, this is actually what I've been using lately. I haven't been really using this oil that much, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply both of it just because I think they do certain things, so you can basically apply it together. And the good thing about this TEAMI Vitamin C Tea Infused Serum is that it's lightweight and it absorbs to your skin super fast. So I feel like we should apply this first, but it's okay. It's okay. Now I'm just gonna apply 2 pumps because that's literally what you need. Here you go.
okay.
And it's super light. Jeffrey hasn't.
This is my first time using it, yes.
It's super lightweight and it absorbs to the skin super fast.
Yeah, it is. It definitely feels different than the oil. That
You're gonna see how fast it absorbs. Like you don't even notice. It's like, oh, it's not there anymore. So next, what we're gonna be applying is our eye cream, and the eye cream that we like to use is by, I don't know if I pronounced this right, CL Miracle Kelp Eye Cream, and this supports fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness, which we actually, I have puffiness around my eyes and you have like dark circles, so that's why we decided to buy for each other basically. And I like this. I apply this.
I like it. I feel like it does help. I feel like it does help.
Yeah, I apply it in the morning and also at night. And I like to rub it on the, and I just use a little bit. I think I just put too much right now. I like to put it underneath like my eyes, and also I like to rub it a little bit on the side. Do you do that? No. Because when I think of, it supports fine lines. When I think of that, I think of hello, wrinkles right here. So I like to apply it on the side of my eye as well. We're almost done here. This stuff that I like to do, I only like to do it whenever I have like a pimple coming, which I do. The last video I have one on this side and by my lip, but this video I have one literally right here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's red. You see it? And so I like to apply my spot treatment by Clean and Clear Persa Gel 10. And you guys, I've been using this. Most of the stuff that I like and that works for me, I just keep on using it for years and years and years. And I've been using this for a couple of years now, and because I feel like it works. Do you use this when you have a, because you don't really break out, right?
Well, I have two right here. I could use it right now.
Alright, so you're going to be applying just a little dot on that area. And in a couple of days, it like literally goes away. So here you go. And I only apply that at night, the spot treatment, because I feel like it kind of dries up. So if I've tried to apply it underneath my makeup and it just gets like really hard looking in that area and I don't like it. So I only apply it at night. If you're watching this and you struggle with like
acne,
yeah, like pimple coming in, you know, like here and there, I highly recommend this, like highly. Okay, so we have come to the end. So how's the skin feeling?
It feels really good. I like
You
it.
feel fresh, huh?
Especially after putting the green mask on. Like when you take it off, it feels like really soft.
It's smooth, yes. I know, I love it. I'm gonna be linking down below in the description box my discount code, so you can get 25% off on your order for TEAMI. So if you're interested in getting the mask or getting the vitamin C serum, you guys can get 25% off by using my discount code. They also have a lot of different things, so make sure you guys check them out. And if you're interested in getting anything, you can always use my discount code. So that is the end of this video. Thank you for being such a good sport and coming in and doing this video with me.
Thank you for introducing me to your products, and I will be using them.
I'm just kidding. Anytime. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up to support my channel, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.